Can I get a chasing giants?
Getting them giants, boy.
Nah, you get more energy.
Alright, hold up. We chasing them giants today, boy. What's going on, fishing fam?
Hey, what's up, guys? We are out here today at Dixon Lake in Escondido. A lot of you guys have been requesting that I come here and do some fishing. They haven't stocked it with trout yet. That's gonna be, I believe, next week on like the 19th. But today we're just gonna do a little bit of bass fishing. It's pretty cold, so I apologize if the camera's shaking a little bit. I don't really know. My game plan is I'm predicting that it's just gonna be all drop shot. It's gonna be slow. It's super cold. This lake's super pressured and the water is clear, so the bass are finicky. So I'm just predicting that it's gonna be drop shot. But I do have a big Kitech. Wait, no, I don't even have it tied on. I thought I still had it tied on. We're gonna throw on a big swim bait, throw that around, maybe a jerk bait, something like that. Yeah, if you guys come to Dixon Lake and you enjoy this video where I come here to this little local lake, smash that thumbs up. If you guys are new to the channel, you might want to consider subscribing. Got a lot of dope content coming up here in the future. And with that being said, we're gonna go down here and get on this boat and head out to the water. You guys stay tuned. All right, guys, so we are rigging up our drop shot here, and I'm just using about a 1/8 ounce drop shot weight. I believe it's a 1/8 ounce, and I tie my drop shot weights on. I don't snip them with the line. I just tie them straight on. That way I don't break my line. And then I have this like weedless drop shot hook right here, if you guys can see it too well. And then these are the two. I got a fat tail and then your regular, and I think I'm gonna go with the regular just because a little bit smaller of a profile. There it is, just a purple margarita mutilator. You just put it in there like that, bring the hook all the way through. Just like that, boys. And I'm using 6-pound, I think this is fluorocarbon. And we're just gonna be starting out, oh, something just busted. We're gonna be starting out working these Thule lines. See if we can't get something to stick on the drop shot. Isaac's doing walking bait, top water. Isn't that ass how they suck you into paying for a full day boat? It's like, oh, you can't get a half day till after 12. But I don't want to go after 12. And then on this one, I got a big old 8-inch Kitech belly weighted hook, and throw this around, cover some water a little bit. Oh, dang, I see a couple. Oh, they're all right here, dude. Oh, I got one. That's a little one. That's a little one. Nice. Nice. There he is. Give me some.
No skunk today.
Give me some.
No skunk today, son.
There he is. Well, we saw some right here, so I just paralleled it, and sure enough, I felt that tick tick. There he is, little guy. Not bad, no skunk.
Alright, well, I know what I'm doing now. Watch.
There he is, guys. Alright guys, so we left Dixon Lake. We're currently here at secret little juicy location. Got a bass. Wasn't recording, apologize about that. But hopefully we can catch. Spider webs on my shoulder. Hopefully we can catch another bass to get it on camera for you guys. But it's just so cool getting down here to this little remote creek, catching bass out here. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. You guys stay tuned and stick around. It felt like a 10-pounder. Oh, but I got him on the whack'ems. Let me get a quick pick. That's right, boys, we got one on that little whack'em bait. Let's get this guy back. See you later, little buddy. Thanks for the fight. Let me see. Got him. Isaac just got one. Let me see him. All of his glory. Sight fished him?
No.
Come over here. Let me see him.
He happened to just jump out and come at it, but I saw him eat it. That thing was pretty cool, dude. I saw him swipe at it. It was dope.
Hey.
Yeah, he's pooping. I'm gonna throw him back.
Right. Nice one on the Senko. Hey, there he is. Little creek bass. Beautiful. So much fun. See you later, buddy. Dope. It's fun, right?
Oh yeah.
So good.
Yeah, he's pinned, bro. There you go.
There he is. What'd you catch him on?
Get made, man.
Ooh, that get made minnow.
Sir.
Shout out to Trout Made.
There you go.
Hey. Try to get a sick release. A little bass release. There's a nice one right there. See him? He sees us. He's all sketched out. He's looking at us. Oh. You like that, G? You like that, G? Got that motherfucker on camera, boy. I'll tell you what. It's crazy that you can even set the hook with 4-pound tests like that, huh? With the Senko. There he is. Ooh, got a little battle scars on him, bleeding a little bit.
It's a little chunky too. Look at that little guy, bro.
They're healthy in here. I'll see you later, boss. That other one must have been watching the little one like go for it, because he was just sitting there like staring. Alright, fishing fam, that's gonna be it. We're wrapping it up for today. It was a good day, successful day. Started out at Dixon, rented a boat, and caught one bass. Been a grind though. We made our way over here to this little secret creek spot and got one on the Whack'ems. Got some on the little Senko here. Just a little weightless Senko. He got one on the Get Made. He got two on the Get Made minnow. Isaac did. Hey, how you like the creek fishing?
Oh, it was the coolest. I haven't been that excited about little fish in a long time, dude. I'll tell you that. I think it was like a pound. No, not even, like a quarter pound. It was fun. It was pretty dope.
Alright guys, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up, drop a comment down below if you want to see more creek type videos. And that's pretty much it. We are out of here. Peace.